everyone, welcome to this video. Today I have a gaming handheld called R36 Max. Nowadays these are very famous for running some emulators like PlayStation, PSP, Game Boy Advance and etc. Because of the decent hardware they have, I could run some desktop environment called XFCE. It's very like the Windows. You can browse the internet, you have file explorer, you have everything so much you have on the Windows, except it's cut down a little bit. I want to show you how to install the XFCE environment on this device and taking a look at the hardware. The CPU on this gaming handheld is RK3326. It has a quad core running at 1.5 GHz. 1 GB RAM, and it has also 8 GB eMCC, but we are running it the environment with SD card. I want to show you how to do this all stuff. When you purchase the console, it will come with a TF card, probably with a 64 GB or 128 GB. It already has some games on it. I suggest you to use another micro SD card to install the XFCE environment, because otherwise you will lose your games. Now the layout these SD cards come with has 3 partitions, one for boot, one for the FS root, one for booting the system, one for the OS itself, and one for ROMs that contains the game. You can also install RCOS on this device, because it will come with EMU ELCE EMU-ELEC pre-built. It's not a useful OS. You can flash RCOS in the SD card, and using RCOS has better features than the EMU-ELEC. Tutorials on how to install RCOS is available on the internet. I won't teach that in this video, and I'll teach you how to install the XFCE. So, as you can see, the OS partition is 8 GB. That is not enough for running XFCE. What you're gonna do first is deleting the EasyROMs partition and shrinking the root partition to maximum, so you can install XFCE and etc. How to shrink the OS partition and deleting the EasyROMs is also available on the internet, so I won't teach that either. After you shrink the OS part to the maximum, so you get the maximum potential of your SD card, what you're gonna do, you're gonna install XFCE. For my work, I used this repository as base. As you can see, it has run XORG on the R36S, but the model we have is R36 Max. It's a bit different from R36S, but you can easily get it to work. I used the XFCE installing Xscript and launch XFCE for making this work, and I will show you how to do it. First of all, when you get the console, you have no access to the shell of this operation system at all. So I wrote a script to, if you see, there is a OTG Type-C cable here. I wrote a script to make this port to act like a Wi-Fi client, and also configured my laptop to work as a Wi-Fi host. So if I connect these together, my handheld is connected to my laptop Wi-Fi. You can also use some Wi-Fi dongles, but the driver is missing and it's a hassle to make it work. Now if you see, the laptop has identified my console, and if I run the SSH to connect to my console, you can see I have now access to the shell. After using these two scripts to install the XFCE, you can see the XFCE will come. First of all, you need to install the XFCE, and when you launch the XFCE script, you will see an environment like this. Also, I have installed some themes for making this beautiful, otherwise you will come up the screen like this. It was a hassle to make these buttons work as a mouse and keyboard. As you can see, if I move the joystick, the mouse, it will move. Also, if I push this button, it's right click and it's left click, you can see it's working very well. Like if I run some application that I installed, like games, chess, yeah, you can play on this device. So, as you can see, I have written this command to access the SSH. You have to do the things I have said in my GitHub repo. I said in the link in description. After you follow my steps, you can install the XFCE. And that's for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.